Welcome back. Now, a similar tool to Conversion.AI is called Copy.AI. It is based on the same platform, and it's used primarily to create direct response copy. You can find a trial version by searching for trial version, and when you land on the site, you'll be able to see the pricing. And you'll notice that you can have unlimited runs for a specific dollar amount. You'll see that amount rise when you decide to pay month by month. However, you can try Copy.AI free of charge. We are going to start with the free trial. We're then going to sign up. We'll then need to confirm our email. You'll then confirm your login. You'll want to designate Copy.AI for work, and you'll give the AI some information. Now, although this works similarly to Conversion.AI, you will want to watch the training video to determine how to best use Copy.AI. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to go through with some of the process. We're going to write in our business name and description. You'll then routinely see an offer to upgrade your account. And you can start the process using the sales copy tools. For example, if you want to use the AIDA format, you can then start with that template. You can then click Create. Copy.AI will then work with your value statement. And you'll then have your value statement available to use. You can then go to the top and create a new project. You can then give this project a name. You can then choose the tone. You can then save your project to get started. You'll then want to go to what's called the playground. You'll then want to write the name of the product and then describe the particular product that you are going to want to sell. Once you've described your product, you'll then click Create. And Copy.AI will then begin the process based on the template that you have. And you'll then have format that you can begin to work with. So in the same way that Conversion.AI will help you to create direct response copy, you can also use Copy.AI for the same purpose, knowing it is specifically made to write your sales copy. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.